Hello, guys. Samuel here once again for my data camp friends, my friends that are in data analysts. If you are in machine learning, if you are in the enterprise resource management, enterprise resource platform, enterprise resource infrastructure field, Microsoft Dynamics, Oracle, SAP. Now we're going into another part. We have kind of steered away from the learning journey, which was exploring SAP Business Data Cloud. And that course set was exploring SAP Analytics Cloud. And now we're in a new course, and this is positioning SAP Business Data Cloud. Okay. It's going to be 2 units, and the first unit has 4 sections, three, but a quiz. So that'll be 4 videos. And unit 2 has, 4 lessons and then 1 quiz. So we have a total of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 different videos that we're going to be doing here. You're in video 1, which is discovering the SAP Business Data Cloud. So go ahead and go to learning.sap.com, and you could type in positioning SAP Business Data Cloud. And you could learn with me, follow along, and I could read some of this stuff for you because the AI voices that they got are terrible. All right. I volunteer for you, SAP. It's all right. You could contact me. I have friends at SAP. All right, moving on. Discovering, first off, once again, this is the unit 1, which is introducing SAP Business Data Cloud. And we are in discovering SAP Business Data Cloud. So let's go ahead and zoom in. Data chaos to clarify, or discovering SAP Business Data Cloud. Data chaos to clarify. The power of SAP Business Data Cloud. Now, in today's business environment, organizations are navigating an overwhelming surge of data coming from every direction: internal systems, customer interactions, their supply chains and external markets. Now, while data holds immense potential, the reality is that much of it remains scattered across silos, and it's locked in incompatible formats or inaccessible in real time. Now, this fragmentation, it hinders your agility, the cloud's decision making, and it slows your innovation. Now, as markets evolve rapidly and competition intensifies, companies need more than just access to data. They need clarity, coherence, and the ability to act on insights with confidence and speed. Now, this is where SAP Business Data Cloud, called SAP BDC. So remember that, BDC. Earlier we went over BW, Business Warehouse. It makes a critical difference. It simplifies data landscapes by integrating information from SAP and third-party systems into a unified, governed environment. Now, with real-time access to harmonized data across the enterprise, SAP BDC enables confident, high-driven decisions. This empowers organizations to optimize operations and accelerate their innovation and stay agile in the face of change. This is turning data into a powerful driver of business outcomes. Okay. Now, what is SAP Business Data Cloud? Now, we keep saying this over and over, but remember, you got exams you got to pay for. So let's remember it. BDC. What is SAP Business Data Cloud? Now, it is a fully managed software as a service solution designed to unify, govern, and make sense of data across the entire business landscape. It brings together SAP and non-SAP into one trusted business-ready foundation. This is enabling decision makers to access real-time insights with full context. Now, if you remember, you look back to our previous thing, we were asked this. We were asked, where does it bring the data across? Does it have both SAP and non-SAP? Here you go. Together, SAP and non-SAP. And this might be another test question. Is it a platform as a solution? Or, you platform as a service? And even though they only have three, software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service, you might get confused. There might be a trick question that says, this is a cloud as a service, right? So anyways, let's go ahead. Business ready foundation enabling decision makers to access real-time insight with full context. Now, by connecting siloed information through a powerful semantic layer and open data ecosystem. Now, SAP BDC, Business Data Cloud, transforms raw data into a strategic asset. Now, with SAP BDC, customers can, 1, unleash transformative insights. Now, you're going to empower decision makers with pre-built business contextual applications that delivers insights tailored to their specific roles and needs. 2, you're connecting all the data. Connect all data. Now, you're going to harmonize all mission-critical data with an open data ecosystem, and you're leveraging a powerful semantic layer to give them an unmatched knowledge of their business. And 3, foster reliable artificial intelligence, AI. Now, ensure data across applications and operations has a foundation for generative AI that is reliable, responsible, and relevant. Now, transforming data management, this new section, transforming data management and analytics, launching the SAP Business Data Cloud. Okay, so remember, the title of this course is Positioning SAP, the Business Data Cloud. Now, SAP Business Suite embodies our vision to bring together all applications, the data, and AI like never before. Alongside this innovation, we introduced a new software as a service offering called SAP Business Data Cloud, SAP BDC. Now, I just thought of a funny joke. Marking the next evolution of our data planning and analytics capabilities. This is one of the most significant launches in SAP history, positioning us to excel in data and the artificial intelligence AI space, a market that is nearly 10 times larger than RISE with SAP. That's right. Now, all they got to do is build some nuclear power plants for all these data centers, because we got the data centers, but we don't have the power. All right. With SAP BDC, our customers can significantly reduce IT overhead and data maintenance, leading to substantial cost savings and improved productivity. Now, simply put, only SAP can provide the right mission-critical data, fully trusted to ensure compliance. Now, today, our customers still struggle to work with their SAP data. And here's an analogy, guys. Imagine a piece of paper that represents the SAP data of our customers. It doesn't reside in the system neatly, but rather it has numerous interconnections and context. Now, when the customer exports the data from the SAP systems, as they currently do, they transfer it to an external data lake, losing all its context. Now, afterwards, they try to reconstruct the structure, which is highly resource intensive, and it leads to inconsistencies. Now, consequentially, the data is never quite the same. And even worse, these new insights cannot be reintegrated back into a transactional systems. So let's click on this image here. It's not working. Right click, open image, a new tab. Download authorization denied. That's great. Maybe I could zoom out some. Anyways, moving on. I'll read what I can. The image discusses why mere data extraction isn't sufficient for business data. Now, on the left side, it highlights that extraction requires recreating business logic and context, while missing knowledge and metadata from the business process. Now, in the center, a diagram shows data flow between sales and finance and operations with various sources like SAP and Excel, and highlighting issues like broken models and data model change requests. On the right, it lists user types, including application users, analysis data, modelers, engineers, and developers. This image, okay, so this is not the actual image. This is a fill in. Now, with SAP BDC, we are changing the game by seamlessly combining two things like never before. Now, first is the mission critical, high fidelity business data from our SAP applications, complete with all its essential business context. And second, SAP Databricks, the world's leading data platform, is now available with SAP BDC, allowing you to process any data at any scale with the SAP environment. Now, additionally, you could share consistent data outside of SAP as we break down silos and unify data landscapes. Now, consider a fast food retailer. They deal with high volumes of fresh items and a short shelf life. Instead of extracting data from the SAP systems and reconstructing all the business logic, customers can now use SAP BDC to quickly retrieve product inventory from the SAP system with complete business context. Then they can seamlessly combine it with various external data sources, such as the weather data, third-party geolocation data, and more. And this aggregated data set is processed within the SAP Databricks environment through machine learning models to develop fine-grained forecast by store location. The outcome is the elimination of substantial food waste and the realization of significant savings for the customer. Okay. Now, to summarize first, we ensure compliance and governance by providing trust and accurate data from every SAP business process, easily accessible to your fingertips, at your fingertips. Now, second, they're harmonizing the data across SAP and non-SAP landscapes. Okay, so remember, this is a quiz question we've had before. It harmonizes data across SAP and non-SAP landscapes like never before. Now, third, we offer a single trusted data foundation for analytics and AI. And importantly, we now offer a future-proof modernization path for thousands of business warehouse customers at SAP Business Warehouse, BW. Becomes an integral part of SAP BDC. Okay, let's humanize this a little bit, and I want to share something here in the Netherlands, which is an app that is for it's for food and stuff. It's here in the Netherlands. And gosh dang it, where is it at? It's an app to where when stores, because it's talking about not wasting, and I know this isn't fully related. Okay, the app is called Too Good to Go. I don't know if it's available in other countries, Too Good to Go. But if you're in the Netherlands, just because we're talking about waste, stores, Jumbo, Picnic, when they have extra food and they're going to throw it away, bread stores, they discount it. And instead of paying $25 for some fruit, you might pay $5. I'm just humanizing the video. Just want to tell you that this is an AI. All right. Looking ahead. Here we go. Looking ahead. Looking ahead, we will consistently position SAP Business Suite as the vision for our entire portfolio. Unrivaled SAP applications that generate the world's most mission critical business data. Now, combined with SAP BDC to unleash transformative insights and connect all data and foster reliable AI. All right, guys, last section of lesson 1 of the introduction to SAP Business Data Cloud. Let's summarize what you've learned. In today's complex data landscape, SAP BDC helps organizations overcome data silos by unifying information across systems, and delivering real-time access, governance, and clarity for confident, insight-driven decisions. Okay, so I know I haven't taken the quiz yet, but I know it's going to have two critical things that we keep seeing here. Real-time access, that's really important. And the other one that we keep seeing is harmonizing between SAP and non-SAP. So remember this. Let's say it a few times. Delivering real-time access, delivering real-time access, delivering real-time access. For sure, that's going to be an exam quiz. And harmonizing SAP and non-SAP products. Harmonizing SAP and non-SAP products. Harmonizing SAP and non-SAP products. I haven't taken the quiz or the exam, but I'm sure it's going to be on there. Second, as a fully managed SAS solution, SAP BDC connects SAP, and I just said this, and non-SAP data into a harmonized, trusted foundation, providing role-specific insights and enabling scalability, reliable AI through its semantic layer and open ecosystems. I swear to you, I didn't read that. I just knew that. We're harmonizing SAP and non-SAP. I swear. All right. 3, by integrating with tools like SAP Databricks, amazing, love you too, and combining critical business contexts with external data, SAP BDC supports high-impact use cases such as predictive analytics and operational optimization. It's unlocking efficiency and significant cost savings. Okay. Now, SAP BDC is central to SAP's strategy to lead in data and AI, powering the modernization of SAP BW, Business Warehouse, and enhancing RISE with SAP and GROW with SAP, and unifying SAP's portfolio under a future-ready solution. Okay, you might have zoned out. I started to zone out too. So many SAPs in there. We're going to have to read that again. Okay. SAP BDC, Business Data, okay, Cloud, okay, is central to the SAP strategy to lead in data and AI. Okay. So it's central to their strategy for data and AI, powering the modernization of SAP BW, Business Warehouse. And it's enhancing RISE with SAP and GROW with SAP, and unifying SAP's portfolio under future-ready solutions. So you need to go look up RISE and GROW. And last, looking ahead, SAP BDC will be embedded in key customer initiatives, from warehouse migrations to AI strategies. Now, it's driven by close collaboration with Databricks and a growing portfolio of SAP Business Data Cloud intelligent apps. All right, guys. So SAP guys, Databricks guys, all my guys from the certification area in data analysis over at. I'm going brain dead here. Need a second coffee, but that is going to be it for this. We're going to be going on once again. We have 3 more videos in this introducing SAP Business Data Cloud, and that is the end of discovering SAP Business Data Cloud, which is lesson 1. Take care, guys.